Hello everyone. Today we will show you our high temperature industry pH sensor and dissolved oxygen sensor. This is our BOQU team product shoes. And BOQU company is the leader company in bio-fermentation industry in China. And this is the pH sensor with different connection. This one is K8S, SH, calibrator. This is same, and the VP connection sensor. And our high temperature mode sensor is can replace the to material tornado and Hamilton. And for this is the dissolved oxygen sensor VP connection. And this length is 225 millimeters. And this one is 325 millimeters pH sensor.